important बच्चों. Convert this meter to centimeter. 10 out of 10 right. चलो, very nice. So first convert 17 into multiply 17 with 100. That will be in centimeter. Plus add 320 centimeter. So now everyone tell me what is the answer. Sach batao, what is the answer, beta? Yes, 17 into 100 is how much? That will be 1700. Right? That will be 1700 centimeter plus 320 centimeter. Now students, everyone tell me, this is also in centimeter, this is also in centimeter. So what you have to do? You have to do the addition. So 1700 plus 320. So what is the answer? Everyone tell me. It will be your 2020 will be the correct answer. Clear everyone? Yes, 2020 is the answer. Clear everyone? So now students, you can check the leaderboard over here. Great performance in the class, Bacho. You are doing really amazing in the class. Done? Fine? Okay. The next topic which we are going to learn is very, very easy and important. Right? So we have learned about the conversions. Next we are going to learn about the conversions of centimeters to millimeters. Centimeters in short you write it cm and millimeters in short you write is mm. ठीक है? क्या करने वाले?
Yes,
we are going to
this is a
convert
was a
centimeters
repeat.
to millimeters.
Hello
What you
guys,
have to do बच्चों?
you.
Multiply
This is
by 10.
Ankit
Everyone
very
should write 10 in the chat box. एक बार 10 जल्दी से लिख दो. Multiply by 10, very very important, because 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Everyone should write बच्चों and no one should leave the class. Okay? Done? Centimeter to millimeter 10. Okay? Now students, let us solve a question. That is a word problem question. Okay, very important. First read the question. Express the following in millimeter. Mm means what? That is in millimeters. Bacho. Very nice. Yes, yes, correct. Absolutely correct. So students, write the answer. Everybody tell me. Sally has a pencil that is 15 centimeter. She is having a pencil that is 15 centimeter long. And students, you have to tell me how many millimeters long is the pencil, bacho? So you have to convert this pencil into millimeter. Anyone tell me? So Ronak sir, you don't know. To convert centimeter to millimeter, which number I have to multiply? With 10. Some very smart students are going to see from here only. है ना? नीचे से तो देख लोगे answer, right? But in quiz, what you are going to do? No one is going to help you. So 15 multiplied by 10 will be how much? It will be 150 millimeter. Clear everyone? Shall I get done? Done. 150 millimeter is the long length of the pencil. Clear everyone? Very nice. Amazing, bacho. Now let us solve the question. After this question, the surprise is waiting. That is the fun facts. Okay. The width of a notebook, the width of a notebook is 21 centimeter. 21 centimeter, बच्चों. Convert this width in millimeters. क्या करने वाले हैं? Centimeters को millimeters में convert करना है. This is your coin quiz. Come on, super champions. I know you are going to give me the correct answer, right? What should be the answer for this? Let's see how many of you can answer. No one should leave the class. And tell me after this question that how many of you got 0 incorrect. Okay, keep on solving. Yes, Arohi Patil, very well done, beta. Amazing. Austin the Oda King, very good, beta. Very nice. Keep on solving.
काफी सस्ती कीमत में परचेज किया है. कॉर्डलेस होने की वजह से इसे अलग से पावर.
Good job, very good. Yes, keep on answering everybody. Parth Pandey, well done, beta. I can see you are giving me the correct answer. Very good job. 10 more seconds, not enough time. Vania, very well done. Yes. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and congratulations to Rushali Harsh. Very well done, bacho. You all are doing great in the class. Everyone is doing really well, bacho, right? So what is the answer? Done. Hai? Okay, Ayush Raj, very well done. Great performance, my dear student. What you have to do? So Ronak sir, multiply 21 into 10. What is the answer, bacho? 210. Yes. Is this the correct answer? First tell me. क्या ये correct answer है? First tell me, बच्चों. Is it the correct answer? Yes or no? 210 is the correct answer. Yes or no? You should say a big no. I told you in measurements of length, the units are very very important. But the answer should be 210 mm. That is 210 millimeter. So this is the correct answer. Very important बच्चों, don't write this 210 in the examination. I am repeating my dear student, don't do this mistakes, okay? You should always write the answer in millimeter. Promise कर लो एक बार. Yes, Nitya, Shri, Ananya, Joy Chaudhary, Mishri, Ayush Raj. Promise beta, done? Yes, option number B will be the correct answer. Units, everyone please write it down in your notebook. यहाँ पे एक बार लिख दो. Sir, units very important. Sir, units very important. So write units. I used to do when I was a very small, like you at your age, right? You make a box like this and make a star, this kind of star. ऐसे करके star बनाओ. So that it is very important. Clear everybody? No mistake should be there. Done? Okay. Now the fun fact is that, बच्चों, are you all ready? Fun facts के लिए कौन ready है? Parth Tadle, are you ready, beta? Yes? Amazing. Okay. The fun fact in today's class is that, do you know that, बच्चों, how many have, like, many of you are having goldfish, right? बहुत जन के पास तो goldfish तो होगा ही है. बहुत जन किस के पास है बताओ? फोटो खींच के मेरे को भेज देना, right? I think you all have my number. So fun fact is that a goldfish can store the information for at least 1 week. A goldfish can store information for at least 1 week. So whatever, for example, if you are studying, right, you are going to forget after 1 week, but the goldfish is going to remember even after the 1 week. Anna? Yes, Riyansh, very bad word, beta. Focus on the class. Clear? 2 fun fact we have learned. That is about the table tennis game and about the goldfish. You can search in Google also. Okay, you can check in Google. But before we that, let us solve a question. Very important. Very important, my dear student. Read the question very carefully. अच्छा से सुनो. What is given in the question? A tree is 1750 centimeter tall. Okay. Advik is having fish, goldfish. Very nice. Convert the height of the tree to millimeters. So this you have to convert into millimeters. You know very well, बच्चों, centimeters to millimeter multiplied by 10. So use that concept and everyone should answer this. सबको आंसर करना है, ठीक है बच्चों? No mistakes. Very good. And also the interesting thing is still there. Okay. After the class, I'm going to give you a riddle. I can see that. Let's see, it's a very tough riddle also, but let's see how many of you can. Like most probably tomorrow also I'll be taking your class. Let's see how many of you are going to solve the riddle. Okay, no one should leave the class, but sit and solve the question. A tree is 1750 centimeter long. Convert the height of the tree in millimeters. Very interesting and nice question. Come on, everybody. 10 more seconds, amazing students. 10 seconds बाकी है, ठीक है? 10 seconds बाकी है. 3, 2, and 1. Congratulations to each one of you. Great performance, students. Congratulations. Let me clap for each one of you. Amazing performance. So if you perform like this in the entire class, bachcho, then definitely Ishika Singh, very well done, bachcho. Well done. Okay. So if you perform really like this in the class, bachcho, then definitely I can assure you that you are going to be the topper. है ना? Topper तो बनोगे स्कूल का, अच्छा marks भी लाओगे, right? What is the answer, bachcho? Multiply honors 1750 with 10. So what is the answer? 1750 millimeter. Clear, everybody? Option number D is the correct answer. Understood? Yes, can I get my favorite number 5 in the chat box? Favorite numbers 5 in the chat box. Yes. Before that, everyone tap on your screen and collect the coins. Amazing performance, but definitely you deserve some coin. 10 coins to each one of you. है ना? चलो, very good, very good. Okay, बहुत बढ़िया. So now, students, the next which we are going to learn is very interesting. That is conversions of meters to kilometers, right? Conversions of meters to kilometer. So what you have to do? क्या करने वाला? Are you going to do multiply? Yes or no? Multiply करने वाला? No. A big no. A big no to multiplication. Now it's time to start with the division. What you are going to do? Everyone write D. D for division. सब लोग D करो. Meters to kilometer. You can see the chart. If you're going to convert meter to kilometer, you have to divide it by 1000. Now you must be wondering, sir, 1000 is a big number. We don't know the 2-digit division. How we are going to do the division with 1000? But no worries. I'm going to explain you much. So what is given in the question? 42,000 meter. I am going to convert this into kilometer. क्या करने वाला? I'm going to convert this into kilometer. So what is the step? So 42,000, that is divided by 1000. Right? Now one thing is very important. Students, you have to check the zero on this side and this side. So how many zeros are there in this side? Everybody tell me. How many zeros are there? All of you tell me. 3 zeros. Very good. This side how many zero? 3 zero. Now cancel 1 0, cancel 1 0. Cancel the second zero, cancel the second zero. Cancel the third zero, cancel the third zero. So what is the answer? Answer will be 42. Understood? You don't have to do in this way, but 1000 divided by 4200. Say no to this. Say big no. Okay? Say yes to this. Clear? सब लोग yes कर दो. Clear everybody? Is it clear to everyone? आ गया ना? So just cancel the zero बच्चों. Right? Just cancel the zero and that's done. Understood? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Shall we go for one questions? एक questions कर लेते हैं. Very interesting question. Convert the following into kilometers. This you have to convert into meter to kilometer. So what should be the answer? What should be the answer, bachcho? Everyone try. Okay. Try kar lo and no one should leave the class. Okay. Very good. Amazing, bachcho. No one should leave the class. Stay focused in the class. Okay. Very good. See, amazing performance in the class. Very well done. 10 more seconds, everybody. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Very well done, my dear students. Congratulations to each one of you. Great performance. I'm having one more surprise. So what is that, my dear students? You have the number 6 to 1, 2, 3. So divided by 1000. How many zeros are there? Both sides you have 3, 3, 0. So cancel the 0. Everyone tell me what is the answer? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. What is the answer? Answer will be 62 kilometers. Clear everybody? Option number D will be the correct answer. Understood everyone? Yes. The most important thing, bachcho, that is that today you will be having a pen down session. First tell me, aaj kaun excited? I am very excited because ma'am has already tried this experiment, right? And we have already seen it is going to be one of the most interesting and this is going to be best experiment of pen down. So do join the class sharp at 8:05, 19th of June, that is today only, bachcho. Hardly you are having 20 minutes, the pen down session. Bhagyashri ma'am is going to take your pen down session. Clear everyone? Yes, very important, bachcho. No one should leave the class. I'm going to give you one more question. So are you all ready? Or a questions content. Very important. Come on. Stay in the class, everybody. An aeroplane flies a distance of this much meters. Cover the distance into kilometers. Very important. No one should leave the class, beta. Everyone stay in the class. Okay? Yes. Homework is so important, bachcho. After the homework, like every class, each and every one should do the homework. That is very important. Okay. Stay in the class, bachcho, and solve this question quickly. Very good. Very nice. Observe the questions very carefully, then only you can answer it. Right? Take your time, bachcho. Very nice. Ten more seconds, my dear amazing students. 10 more seconds to each one of you. Okay. Yes. No one should leave the class. No one should leave the class, bachcho. Very good. So what is the correct answer, everybody? What is the answer, bachcho? 8, 4. How many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divided by 1000. Right? What you have to do? Cancel the 0. That is 1, 2, 3. So you just 1 second. You are going to cancel from this side. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. The answer will be 8400 kilometer. Clear everyone? Option number D will be the correct answer. So students, what we have learned in today's class, we have learned about the conversions of units. Okay? To convert smaller units to
तो भाई लाएंगे वहाँ पे गाड़ी तो है और क्या